What is success? What does success mean to you? We all have different answers to that question, right? Maybe there's some overlap. Maybe success means having a family, having a successful career, having lots of money. But there's always going to be some overlaps and some differences for each individual. But let me ask you this. Does success come by being smart? If you're smart, are you successful? Not necessarily, right? You see, drive and persistence can actually lead to success. Being smart is great, but you need that drive and persistence. Now, everybody has a different idea of success and what it means to them, but there is often a misconception that simply being smart is the easiest way to success. It is not. Being a good learner, an efficient learner, and being smart is great. But you need the drive and persistence to really succeed. As we move through the course, you will notice that there aren't any easy tricks to get to where you want to be. At the end of the day, you need to work hard for what you want. And the easy route is taken by those with no drive and persistence. To succeed, you will need to take risks and make mistakes. You have to do the unconventional. Those who succeed are the ones who take the path less traveled and who have drive and persistence.